Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about different parts of a nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactors, it consists of different parts like nuclear fuel, moderator, control rods, coolant and shield. See, nuclear reactor, it is a device in which a controlled nuclear chain reaction takes place, producing energy at a constant rate. Here, energy produced in a controlled chain reaction. Here, first one is nuclear fuel. It consists of fissile materials like uranium 235, plutonium 239. First part is nuclear fuel. Second one is moderator. They are the materials. The function of moderator is to slow down the fast neutrons to thermal energies without absorbing them. They have low atomic mass when fast neutrons pass through them, and they lose their kinetic energy to a great extent in elastic collisions. For example, examples for moderator like graphite, heavy water, beryllium, etc. Next one is control rods. Here they have high neutron absorption cross section. By absorbing neutrons, they control the chain reactions. For example, cadmium, boron, etc. Examples for control rods like cadmium and boron. We know that the function of coolant, it is the fluid used to remove the heat generated during nuclear fission. For example, ordinary water at high pressure, heavy water, molten metals, etc. Shield, last one is shield. Here thick walls of concrete and it will absorb gamma rays and neutrons and prevent its leakage. It can be used to avoid the leakage from the nuclear reactors. See, these are the functions and parts of nuclear reactor. One is nuclear fuel like uranium 235, plutonium 239, and moderator like graphite, heavy water, beryllium, etc. Here moderator are used to slow down the fast neutrons coming from the nuclear reactors. Next, control rods like cadmium and boron, which can be used for high neutron absorption cross section, and these control rods can control the nuclear chain reactions. Then coolant, it is a fluid liquid used to remove the heat generated during nuclear fission like heavy water, molten metals, etc. Then shield, the thick walls of concrete and lead absorb gamma rays and neutrons, and it prevent leakage during nuclear chain reaction. Then types of nuclear reactors. There are three types. One is power reactor, research and breeder reactors. Here power reactors means the nuclear reactors which are used to generate power. As the name indicates that, which can be used to generate power are called power reactors. Here majority of the power reactors are thermal reactors. And a thermal reactor is one in which fission chain reaction is sustained primarily by thermal neutrons. That is first one. In the previous class we had already had discussion on thermal neutrons. When fast neutrons are moderated to energies of the order of thermal vibration, its energy is almost 0.025 electron volt at room temperature. Then thermal neutrons are produced. Second one is research reactors. It is a reactor in which converts fertile, that is non-fissionable material into fissile material like uranium, plutonium, etc. That is also known as breeder reactors. Here breeder reactors, it is a reactor which convert non-fissile fissionable, that is fertile material into fissile materials. So these are the types of nuclear reactors. One is power reactor, research reactors and breeder reactors.